The next tool that I wanted to go over was the search function in Presenter. So I can simply click on the button with the magnifying glass. It says search here. And what you're going to find here is instead of, it looks similar to the library with the categories and groups of music that we have up top that you can scroll through by hitting the page button. But it also has a second set of tabs along the bottom. And these are the various descriptors that I can be searching through. So I have to determine, am I searching for an audio cut in a specific folder? Let's say blues. And then am I searching for the title or an artist? Let's say I'm looking for Stevie Ray Vaughan. So I'm looking in the blues folder for this particular artist, clicking in the search field here, and then typing in Stevie. And then hit enter. And boom, immediately shows me all the Stevie Ray Vaughan that I've got available to me. Sometimes you might find that you're only, maybe you didn't know exactly which category to look under. So what I could do is also select the All tab up top, which is like every single audio cut that exists, and that's going to give me potentially a few more options here. But that's really just how you kind of go about it. What category, what group am I going to be looking through, and then what is it that I'm searching for? Is it an artist name? Is it the album title, the title of the song, etc.? And then just being able to go through and then, write in what I'm looking for. Some of the problems, if you're not finding what you're looking for, really the potential might be that you're either picking a specific genre of music that maybe you're incorrect, that it's just not going to be in there, so in which case you would want to click the All category and then search for it, or maybe you're even misspelling the name of whatever it is that you're looking for. So those are some potential issues that you could run into, but it's a really quick, easy way to access just about anything from the library.